This is our sober healthy edition. Let me crack open my Ice Mountain sparkling water.
Green peppers.
And orange pepper. So what are we making tonight, Chris?
I don't know. You're the cook, Kate.
Stuffed all the colors peppers. That's a terrible name. Can we redo this? I'm not feeling it. I need a shot. I guess the first thing I'm gonna do is I have some cauliflower rice to put in there. I got this from Aldi maybe. I don't know. It's rice, cauliflower, garlic, and herb. It says to microwave it for 5 to 7 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna stuff these peppers. I think I'm just gonna do like a half and half though. This is how I like to cut a pepper. Cut a circle around the stemmer.
You stop. Sorry, there's just a lot of background noise.
Pull him out.
Oh, nice.
I like to try to get as many of the seeds out as possible. Maybe we should do this later. I'm not being fun.
Oh.
Macklin can't be quiet because he's 4.
Would you like a drink?
Mama wants a drink, cut. Let's cut this. And I don't want that in the video.
Cut what in the video?
Cut out.
Dude, like this whole bit you don't want in it?
No.
Why not?
Because it's done.
You got a shirt on and everything. Don't worry about it. This is good.
That was boring and healthy.
So instead of making peppers, I decided to we should make homemade margaritas. Way more fun.
Much better.
This is also much more fun tutorial.
Nobody wants to be healthy. That's boring.
We're gonna still do these.
Yeah, because we already bought all the stuff.
We just need
because we're healthy. Ounce of fresh lime. Oops, that's a little bit extra of an ounce of the sweet and sour. I'm gonna do ounce of triple sec. Throw it. I mean, I can't see.
Have you ever had a Long Island iced tea before?
I call it Strong Island iced tea.
Strong Island tea?
Oh yeah, back in college.
Well, I'm just saying, like all
Thursday
these
nights they're on special. Hello.
all these things you got, the triple sec, the Cuervo, the sweet and
Tell me
sour.
about some Strong Islands. Man, that and a snake bite. Remember that?
Yeah.
I don't know, but I don't remember a night after that. Good times.
Next thing you know, she's married and got 3 kids.
Well, I don't snake. Neither one of those. By the time we met, I was already.
What?
I was out of college, but still in school.
Truth.
Getting ready to go to law school. Well, no, I knew you, but when we started dating, I was getting ready to go to the law school.
That's right. And how many snake bites had you had?
I don't know, but
Too many?
that's where I did. Law school made me develop my love of drinking.
Oh yeah, I got to hold your hair back many nights.
Edit. Don't think
You already did that.
No, I didn't. Now rewind the tape. I want to see if I put this in there or not.
You
were right.
I was right.
I know.
Which is crazy.
We reviewed the tape like they do on the football games.
That's right. We had to do the instant replay.
Yeah, that's what it's called. And I actually did, while I was talking and not paying attention, put the simple syrup in already. So Chris saved me from a very super sweet one. But now what? Now we got to do.
I can be very distracting, aren't I?
You're
Right?
just
I mean, I can just be very distracting.
It's
And
that hair.
next thing you know,
So then I'm just gonna. How do I know how much ice?
you're just gonna pour that back into that.
Sure.
All right. Well, then I would just get enough ice to kind of cover it.
You want to do anything too? Yeah. Dance break. I don't know. Is this like bad parenting?
Okay.
Why? To let them push a button to.
Well, I mean.
If you give them a drink of it, yes. Hold on a second. Now you're good. Look at that. That worked out pretty okay.
Let's go sit outside. Where you you're supposed to do it before you pour the drink in.
Yeah, but that's okay.
So you're supposed, I read on, as a budding. So you put the,
You're kind of doing it a little differently.
well, I know because you're supposed to go like that. But
Yeah.
I would have done that before I poured the drink in there.
Sure. But there's still a way you can do that, right?
How? What?
You're gonna be just blown away by this.
You're
Totally.
a bartender.
And absolutely blown away. Yeah, if you ever do pour your drink before you salt your rim, you
Pour it
can
back out.
always pour it out and then do it.
You're a genius, honey.
I really am, and I like that you're like, well, you were a bartender. It's like, not really a bartender move.
2 for me, 0 for you.
All right, we'll see. We're gonna go outside now. What about these peppers?
I quit and made Chris make it all because that's how I live. Now this is tasting with Katie.
That's okay. Your mom loves cooked vegetables.
Oh, mine ate it.
So good.
No!
Should you close this video up, or is this going to be part of the green pepper debacle?
I don't know. So why don't we say hasta la vista, baby? Is that?